Welcome back to all the Talmidim to Yeshiva. Welcome to the new Talmidim to the Yeshiva. This is a series that we, in terms of Divrei Torah, related to the Parsha on leadership. And this week's Parsha, we have one of the greatest lessons in terms of Jewish leadership. The Torah tells us who Aaron and Moshe. This is Aaron and Moshe. And Rashi famously tells us that sometimes the Torah says who Aaron and Moshe, and sometimes the Torah says who Moshe and Aaron. Lomar sheshkulin ke'echad, to teach us that Moshe and Aaron are equal. And Moshe Feinstein asks the most obvious question, which is, it's not true. They're not equal. Moshe was the Navi that spoke peh to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Aaron did a lot of great things. He helped to bring the Jewish people out of Mitzrayim. But if you would put them on a pedestal, they wouldn't be the same. Moshe is the leader. Moshe is the one who went up to Har Sinai. Aaron didn't go up to Har Sinai. How could it be that Chazal are teaching us that Moshe and Aaron are equal? And Moshe gives a fascinating answer, which gives us great insight into leadership and what it means to be a Jewish leader. He says that Moshe and Aaron were equal and that they reached their potential. As much as they were supposed to do in terms of unfolding the story of the Jewish people leaving Egypt, Moshe and Aaron played their role to the fullest capacity. And one can understand this answer and its lesson in terms of Torah leadership with the following illustration. If you have two mugs, we have a mug over here and a mug over here. Now clearly this mug is larger than this mug. However, they both have potential to fill. If one were to pour liquid into each of the mugs, to the top, to the brim, and you put them next to each other, you would say the following. True, one mug is larger than the other, but they are equal in that they both filled to capacity. They both reached their fullest potential. And that is a very important lesson for all of us. Not everyone is the same. We all have different capacities. We all have different potential. We're all going to do different things with our lives. But as long as we reach our potential, as long as we reach our full capacity to doing our avodas Hashem, to becoming closer to Hashem, to helping the Jewish people, to being an Or LaGoyim, whatever that's going to do to bring the Jewish nation forward and our destiny forward, then we will all equal in our leadership abilities to help the Jewish people and to be those beacons of light for the rest of the community. Good Shabbos.